Hi, I'm Ryan Seisser. I'm the General Manager here at Rock Lake Motors. We are proud to present this beautiful orange 1970 Porsche 9146. The original owner of this 9146 was Ed McNeely, EVP of Doyle Dane Burn Beach, Porsche's U.S. advertising agency. This car received a complete body and paint restoration in 1981. The car comes complete with original window sticker, service history from 1972, documentation of all owners, tool roll, books, and jack. The current owner purchased the car in June 2010 and proceeded to have the engine, transmission, suspension, brake, and fuel systems rebuilt. If you are interested in this car, you can set up an appointment at info@rocklakemotors.com. You may view this car at our website, www.rocklakemotors.com, or call us at 920-605-3121.